Hey there, freelancers! Welcome back to Online Cashflow Insider, where we unravel the secrets to success in the world of freelancing. I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we delve into the key strategies to unlock your potential and achieve a stable online cash flow. Now, freelancing has opened up endless opportunities for talented individuals like you to take control of their careers, work from the comfort of their own homes, and enjoy the freedom of being your own boss. But let's face it, it can also be overwhelming and unpredictable at times. Here's the thing: whether you're a seasoned freelancer or just starting out, there's always more to learn. That's why I've put together this comprehensive guide to help you stay ahead of the game and maximize your online cash flow potential. First things first, creating a killer profile. Your profile is like your freelancing business card, and it's essential to make a great first impression. We'll go through the do's and don'ts of crafting a compelling profile that showcases your skills and expertise. One of the keys to freelancing success is finding your niche. It's crucial to identify your unique strengths and target a specific market where your skills are in demand. I'll guide you through the process of finding your niche and becoming a go-to expert in your field. Communication is the backbone of successful freelancing. We'll discuss how to build strong relationships with clients, handle inquiries professionally, and negotiate the best rates for your services. Freelancing can be liberating, but it also comes with its own set of challenges. Burnout is one of them. I'll share some practical tips to manage your workload effectively, maintain a work-life balance, and prevent burnout from creeping in. Networking is a game changer. We'll discuss how to expand your professional network, collaborate with other freelancers, and tap into hidden opportunities that could boost your cash flow. As a freelancer, managing your finances is crucial for long-term success. I'll walk you through the best practices for budgeting, tracking expenses, and saving for the future. The world of freelancing is ever evolving. That's why continuous learning is essential to stay relevant and competitive. I'll share valuable resources and learning platforms to sharpen your skills and keep you ahead in the game. There you have it, fellow freelancers. A roadmap to unlock your potential and achieve a steady online cash flow. Remember, success in freelancing is not an overnight phenomenon. It requires dedication, perseverance, and the willingness to adapt. But with the right strategies, you can turn your freelancing dream into a fulfilling reality. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Online Cashflow Insider, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, keep hustling and cash flowing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay inspired.